Mr. Machete, to what do I owe the pleasure of this conversation? Oh, where are my manners? Your Honor.
I want his head.
Oh, all right. Sir, if you don't mind me asking, whose head are we talking about here?
The hell do you mean whose head are we talking about here? I'm talking about that greasy slime ball who killed my son, who took over the whole town.
Oh, it's clear from the start. Sir, you're referring to that rubber chicken, right?
Oh, come on. Who else's head would I be talking about here? Come on, use your head. You also have to take that one too. I'm rich, I can make anything happen.
All right. I see what you mean. I sort of see why this has to be a secluded conversation, but sir, you want me to kill that chicken? I mean, I did arrest him way back, but we got to know each other, and he doesn't seem like that bad of a person.
Before you even begin to finish that horrible argument, keep in mind, he took over the entire town. He killed... I don't care about those people. He took my son. My one, my only son. He had my likeness, he had my smarts, he had my street smarts, and he had my knowledge in Warfield. He's gone now. So before you even think to say that that chicken is anything less than a ravaging, horrible, savage monster, I want you to watch your tongue. Because I control the police, and I can have you gone immediately, stripped of all of your power. Bring that chicken to me. We'll call it 25 on the table. I want him dead, and I want him dead now.
And lock up the place when you're done. Oh my gosh, that is a lot of money.
Chief, I don't want anybody to know about this.
Today marks the anniversary of the death of Mr. Carlos Machete. Now, no one really knows what he is, who he is, or what he did, but we all have some sort of subconscious memory of him. Like, I remember him as a super cool guy who just did a bunch of super cool things. Carlos Machete, the world's best hunter, son, and hero. Here's a full 10-hour channel of just positive adjectives we can use to describe this man. Starting from the top. A. Amazing. Awesome. Adventurous. I have a good place for these flyers. What if we put them around those trees right over there? What do you think?
Sir, I don't know.
Oh, come on.
Rodrigo, if you really want to make a profit, we got to start handing out these flyers. We got to get this done by the evening.
But sir, this is just fraudulent. We don't know how Machete died. Why are we getting people to pay us so we can tell them? And we don't even know what he looks like. Is that a stock photo, sir? I don't think Machete is a physical, real machete.
Oh, you baby and your morals. Look, I'll hand them out myself. Oh, hey, it's Rubber Chicken. Hey, Rubber Chicken, care to know how Machete died? Only we know how. You gotta pay $15 to find out. And a $4 fee for reading the paper. Thank you for your contribution. Here you go. Yeah, I can believe it. Look at me. I'm loaded. CEO of 26 different companies, and now the prime holder of Rip Machete, a slogan I've created to spread awareness and to spread money into my bank account. So, do you mind if I plaster a few of these around your yard? I'd say like 426. I mean, might as well do it myself. I'd get Rodrigo to do it, but as you can see, he really doesn't like money, so he's just sitting there and moping. Stupid flyers. I'll rip them up myself.
Hey, that's profit.
Aw, don't be like Rodrigo. Listen, I'll split the profits with you, 80-20. Found another person who hates Benjamin Franklin. Come on, Rodrigo, give me all those flyers. I'll do it myself. 100-100 for me.
Hey, little guy, you startled me. Don't be afraid. Come on in. Come on. You're letting all the darkness out. Close the door. Come on in. I don't bite. Maybe I do. Who knows? Close the door. Come on in. So I assume they sent you to kill me, huh? Death has finally been granted to old Cornelius. I'm gonna go up to the great beyond. Sorry, that happens a lot. I'm not used to the sunlight. Have you ever had to eat your own hat? Well, then you must not know what it's like to be me. I don't even think they make tiny hats that fit your little head. Do they? Maybe they do. I bet they're delicious though, but nothing like the hat I had three months ago. I took my hat right off my head and I just started eating it like some sort of fluffy calzone. And you know what? It was pretty damn good. But now I only have these spectacles left. So I gotta make these last a couple more fortnights. You know what I mean? That rooster, that hen, that chicken, the one that walks on 2 legs like you, but he's a little bit taller and he's like green. He's a monster, I tell you. It's worse than anything I've ever seen. He came in one day and he snatched me right off my recliner. Took me back to his little dungeon, and I was strapped in a chair for 4 months. And then he came back and poured boiling hot water on me. And not only that, he looked me straight in the face. And those eyes, oh, I'll never forget them. I can never unsee those eyes. Can never unsee those eyes. Those eyes looked me right in my soul, and all he said was, I'll never forget it. I only hear voices. But you, my savior, can help me reveal who he is once and for all. Tell me, little guy. Have you heard the name Carlos Machete? Oh, it's horrible! That chicken! He killed him! He killed him with explosives! Boom! We'll give him what he deserves. A sock in the face! I need you to take me to him, little guy. I finally mustered up the courage to break him and to gain what I've earned back. Wait a minute, was that door locked? Oh, I could have just left the entire time. I'm sorry. I paid you to take off his head, not slip him a sleeping pill. I know, I did the best I could, but you really want me to kill him? I can't kill him, I really can't.
Ooh, googly eyes, ooh, they're looking at you, ooh.
Knock it off, Sanders.
Aw, shucks, fine. Yeah, sorry about this, RC.
Sorry? There's nothing to be sorry for. We're just having a good old-fashioned talk, aren't we, pals?
Oh, yes, we are. You should let me do the honors. I've been waiting for this moment for a long, long time. Hey, you told me no one was supposed to be getting hurt just yet. You clearly failed your mission, and I will have that chicken dead in a snap. Machete knows that. I honestly just kind of want to eat him.
Alright, everyone just shut up a minute. Listen here, chicken. We here know what you did. I know what you did. You killed my son. Fortunately for you, we want to protect the Machete family's social legacy, so we took desperate measures to make that possible. We had the town's minds erased, knowing that you are the one who killed my son, thanks to a special buddy of mine. And fortunately for you, you have 3 extra days of life before we silently execute you. So, till then, hang here, soak in what you did, and then boom, lights out, chicken. Keep him here, boys, don't let him leave.
Hey, wait, can I be the one to do it? Oh no. Not making eye contact, not making eye contact, not making eye contact, not making eye contact. Think money, $25,000, not making eye contact. I guarantee I won't be the one to do it. I've wanted to pull this trigger all my life and just kill that chicken. I could do it right here. Look at his stupid face. Worried about what's to come. If I just let it loose right now, he won't know what hit him. Can't do it, I've waited so long. So much trial, so much error. I will get my chance. Get my chance. Hey, PR. Think we have a rat on our tail, if you know what I mean. Oh, 4 eyes bailed, huh? Well, that's just a little disrespectful considering, I wear glasses. Yeah, the difference is, he's a 4 eyes who's intelligent. Come with me, Sanders. I know what he's doing. Oh, listen, you know I would if I could. Just, I don't know what these guys are planning. I don't know what they're doing. And I know $25,000 is involved. I have to stick with my gut. I'm sorry. I'll make this up to you. I'll take you out to dinner when we're done. Look, man, I don't think I'm supposed to be talking to you right now. Oh, maybe if I turn off the light, I'll feel less guilt about it. Oh, that's bad. I can't see a thing. Oh, I don't know what to do. Do I tell him? Do I risk my job for it? I mean, this job has always paid well. And I've done so many things for Rubber Chicken that he could do this one little thing for me and let me keep this job. Oh, what am I saying? I'm his brother. I'm just gonna let him die like that? The house is right there. I better make a decision fast.
Hey, we going somewhere?
Now, I would hope you're not planning to tell anybody about this top secret plan, are you? Yeah, just keep this to yourself, pal. No, of course not. You guys insane? I know what's going down, okay?
I hate for some people to know things they shouldn't know, or what you don't want them to know.
Oh. Now come on, how about we call it a night? Let's go home, play some Dungeons and Dragons. I'd say you better leave his friends alone. Let them take in what's about to happen in the next 3 days. Okay, let's talk. When is the last time any of you have seen Rubber Chicken? He's been gone for like a whole day. Last time I saw him was when you were harassing him with your posters. Oh, so help me, Rodrigo, if I get another lip out of you. Well, sir, think about it. I mean this in the nicest and most formal way possible, as I am your servant. You probably scared him away. I mean, he really didn't want anything to do with all this controversy, and you came in waving your posters in his face, wanting to plaster them all over his house. I warned you! Oh, I don't think my parents are too proud of what I've become. Yeah. Wait, Rubber Chicken's a hero? Since when? I always thought of him as sort of that guy who just takes all of our crap. Are you comparing him to the likes of that, Machete dude that everybody's talking about? Everyone's talking about that Machete guy, but even I'm questioning, who is he and what did he do? It's like everyone sort of just has a figment of him. Rubber Chicken's been taken!
What?
It's true. Rubber Chicken's been taken. He's being held captive for 3 days, and he's being executed for something he didn't even do.
Well, that's just not right. He's not a hardened criminal, is he?
Well,
Who? Oh, wow. You're all a bunch of tiny little people.
who in the hell?
All right, tiny people. Ugh. I think it's time we've had ourselves a bit of a chit-chat. This guy you call Rubber Chicken is a okay? Let me tell you what. He not only imprisoned me for goodness knows how long. I've just started to regain my sanity back. But he imprisoned me, he tortured me, and not only that, but above all, killed a national monument. Carlos Get Hard Machete.
It's all starting to come back to me now.
Oh my gosh.
Oh no. No, I can't believe it. Rubber Chicken would never do anything like that. He's a selfless, good-hearted bird, okay? He pays his rent semi on time, but that doesn't matter. He's good heart, he's good intentioned, and there's just no way he could have done this. Damn it. Guess who? Everybody head inside right now. No, come on, pal. Why don't we stay a while? The party's just getting started. Ooh, it looks as though we're having a little bit of group therapy. Mind if I join in? You know, I got a few notches under my belt I can use to share. Hey, who's this handsome devil? Oh, Eugene. You just never learn, do you? Always putting your friends' lives at risk. Look at that. I get to kill all of you now.
Wait, sir. Shouldn't you tell them all the truth first?
Oh, that is where you're mistaken, lad. No, Pickle Rick, please don't.
Yeah, you're right. I'm not gonna do it. Which is why you are.
No, don't do this to me.
Do it or I'm gonna start killing them one by one. And I'll start with Baldy.
Hey, it's receding. Alright, everybody. Years back, I made dozens and dozens of Rubber Chicken clones ordered by the Machete family. One of those clones got a little bit too big and took over the town at one point, and the Machete family wanted me to erase everybody's mind of this situation to protect their legacy. They knew Carlos was always off his rocker and would take out as many Rubber Chicken clones as he possibly could. The Machete family kept this going because they wanted more clout by everybody who saw Carlos do all these acts. One of the clones got a little bit out of hand and took over Rubber Chicken's entire life, which included imprisoning him. I made sure to sneak into the prison and bring Rubber Chicken home and erase his memory so he knew that none of this ever happened. The clone is still on the loose somewhere, which explains a lot of the situations that took place that make you think it was Rubber Chicken who did it, but it wasn't Rubber Chicken, it was all the clone.
Ginger ale? So it was the clone that locked me up for a very long time. It all makes sense now in a weird, twisted way.
I'm sorry, guys. I tried so desperately to preserve my job that I lost sight of what was important. I guess my intelligence is just too high.
So, the truth finally comes out. Well, I, for one, can say I've changed my mind. Whew, that's a relief. Yeah, I've changed my mind. I'm not gonna kill this Baldy first. I'm gonna kill that betrayer of the Machete family.
Run, you crazy kid! Run! Carry me, Rodrigo! Sir, excuse my potty mouth, but where the hell do we go? Well, the breeze is nice at least. No one goes in, no one comes out. Where could they be hiding, man? Oh, shut up. Ugh, that was finger-licking cruel. Scum like you are always preventing me from reaching my true potential. Now, where are you hiding? Thermoreceptors, don't fail me now. I don't even think thermo works on rubber chickens. I'm just gonna go search. Oh, come out. Where you hiding? Little green dude. Big yellow chicken. Oh. Ooh. Would you look at this? Perfectly normal bat. Nothing suspicious about this at all. See, what if I just looked right behind it? That's Mr. Burns. Haha, I got you now. Smooth move, rich man. What? This is just a wooden board.
How rude.
Au revoir, Monsieur Pickle. Shoot. Oui, je m'appelle enchanté. Care to explain what that was, Rodrigo? Oh, what? Can't have a little fun? Fighting a giant pickle, bro. I will kill all of you if it's the last thing I do. Oh. Huh? Oh, good lord. Heh, such a solid performance on my part. Hey, kid. You like heroes, huh? You want to be a hero? Get this rock off me. I'll make you anybody you want. I'll give you anything you want. Come on. Why don't you be the hero for once, pal? Oh! Nah. 3 days later. Rubber J Chicken. Your time of havoc, your time of torture, and your time of manslaughter has finally come to an end. How does it feel being on the other side of the gun, huh? It's too late for pleading, pal. It's time for you to pay the price with this one flick of the... the phone! What is it? He's a little preoccupied at the moment. Fine. It's for you, your last phone call. I'm a murderer, not a monster.
What is it?
Let my brother go, you Shedhorpidillions! Forget this! Forget that!
What in Sam Hill?
Oh! I gotta go!
Eat this! Kick that! How about that, huh?
Don't forget. You owe me one more.
Ladies and gentlemen, Rubber J Chicken.
Oh,
man, this day was so
good
fun,
to see
pal.
you
Good to be
again.
back.
Good to see you.
Celebratory pizza, anybody? Maybe I'm a little generous with my money. Dig in!
I mean, pepperoni's good. You really have to have the bacon.
I bet it always tastes better when it comes out of someone's pocket, huh?
Ah, especially Mr. Burns' pocket. Yeah.
"私は危険を感じます。あなた。待つ。Emergency voltage.
Maybe destiny just hasn't called yet. Little guy, you can have all the courage, all the perseverance, and all the Mountain Dew voltage in the world. But if there's anybody that supplies you with even the littlest amount of love, those are your heroes. Be a hero, kid. What you deserve. Not an execution, not a sock in the face, but every piece of love and unity I received from this family tonight. Hold it close to your heart. Never let it go.
One love. there's always a chance to start over.
Machete Sr., everything's gone wrong. I posed as you. I had the cop in. We tried to get the chicken in. We got him in for investigation. He's gone. Everyone is dead.
You had one job, and that was to avenge my fallen son. It looks as though we're gonna have to do things my way now.